The Northwest Railway Museum is one of the Pacific Northwest's premier railroad preservation organizations. Located in Snoqualmie, Washington, about 20 minutes to the east of Seattle, the museum offers train rides on an old branch line that was once part of the Northern Pacific Railroad. Speaking of the NP, the museum recently completed the restoration of Northern Pacific steam locomotive number 924. The 924 is an 060 type switcher locomotive that was built in 1899 by the Rogers Locomotive Works. It was originally built for the St. Paul and Duluth Railroad, carrying the number 74 before joining the Northern Pacific Fleet when the NP bought the St. Paul and Duluth the following year. After 25 years with the Northern Pacific, the locomotive was sold to the Inland Empire Paper Company, where it continued to work until it was donated to the Northwest Railway Museum in 1969. Let's watch the little 060 in action as it carries visitors over the museum's 5-mile-long railroad. Thanks for joining me for this look at Northern Pacific number 924 at the Northwest Railway Museum. For more on the museum, please visit trainmuseum.org. If you enjoy the videos I post here, consider subscribing to the channel and make sure you click on the bell to receive notifications too. Check out my other train and railroad related content on my other social media pages as well. I'll be back next Friday at 9 a.m. Pacific time for an all-new railroading adventure right here on the YouTube channel. That's all for now. Until next time, I'm Mike Armstrong. I'll see you down the line. Thanks for watching.